and face the flag. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Students, please be seated for 15 seconds of silence.
Chased, and welcome back to another episode of the Geo-Weather Wiz. If you're seeing this, and sadly today isn't a snow day, but at least you won't be freezing. However, I do recommend not going out as much this weekend because the temperatures will be mostly under 10 degrees. You might have school today, but you sure won't on Monday in celebration of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Speaking of which, what year did Martin Luther King have his famous "I Have a Dream" speech? August 28th, 1963, went down in history for marking the "I Have a Dream" speech, which was attended by over 250,000 people in Washington, D.C. I hope you have a great 3-day weekend. Do widzenia!
The first winner of the hot attendance balloon in 2024 is
the Fireflies, a great way to start the year.
Way to go, Eagles!
We don't have any after-school activities today. Make sure to get on the bus right away at 3 p.m. because we don't have a 4 p.m. activity bus due to the 3-day weekend.
School won't be in session on Monday in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. The day commemorates the life and work of Dr. King, who was a Baptist minister and prominent leader in the American rights movement.
The day was established to honor the life and legacy of Dr. King and to encourage all Americans to volunteer to improve their communities.
On Wednesday, 6th and 7th graders will be learning more about the elective classes that are offered at Emerson and Homeroom.
Join us the evening of Wednesday, January 17th for our annual open house.
The open house is a time where students and their families can walk around the building and learn more about the elective classes that are offered in 7th and 8th grade.
6th graders and their parents are invited to a 6th grade elective class selection presentation in the NPR from 6:50 to 7:20 p.m.
Classrooms will be open from 6:40 to 8 p.m. for exploratory and elective class exploration.
Hope to see you there.
Emerson Spelling Bee is going to be next week on Friday, January 19th in the LRC at 3:30 p.m.
Come cheer on your fellow Eagles.
In PE, we have a dance unit.
There is no school on Monday on MLK Day.
On Tuesday, Emerson's having an away meet versus South.
On Wednesday, there's an 8th grade girls volleyball tryouts from 4 o'clock to 5:30.
On Thursday, there's an Emerson wrestling meet.